Page 64. Please put on some headphones. Alright, so write each rational number as a decimal, then tell whether each decimal is a terminating or repeating decimal. So here is something interesting to look at. There are two ways to convert a fraction to a decimal. Number 1, divide the top by the bottom. Yeah. And number 2, change the denominator to 10 or 100. So the first method always works. The second method does not always work, but when you can use it, it will save you some time. So look at this first problem right here. Can you change 5 to 10 or 100? Yes. 3 over 5, so times 2 here, and over 2 times 2 there, equals 6 over 10. 6 over 10 is 6/10, just like that. When you multiply by 2 over 2, it does not change the value. So look. Two over 2 is the same as 2 over 2. 2 over 2 equals 1. Multiplying by 1 doesn't change anything. Multiply by 1 does not change anything. So look on the calculator what happens if we do 3 over 5. Three divided by 5 gives you 6/10. And then look at 6 over 10. 6 divided by 10 gives you 6/10. 3/5 equals 6/10. Okay. So this one here is 6/10. And it's terminating. T for terminating. This right here is already in its easiest form. So 89 over 100 is the same as 89 hundredths. 4 over 12. Can we do that with 4 over 12? Nope, doesn't work. But look, 4 over 12 is the same as 1 over 3. You already know that 1 over 3 is the same as 3/10 repeating, right? We did that on the previous page. So 3/10 repeating. Done, and it's repeating. R for repeating, T for terminating. 25 over 99. Divide the top by the bottom. Okay? And you need a decimal here and a decimal here. Since you know that 99 is close to 100, you know that two 99s fit in 250. So put a 2 here. You know that 2 times 100 is 200, so take 2 away and you get 198. subtract. You know that's going to be a 4. This will be a 10. That'll be a 2. That'll be a 1. That'll be a 14. That'll be a 5, a 52. And then you bring down a 0. Now, 99 is close to 100. How many 100s fit in 500? 5. And now multiply 99 times 5. $45, $49. Subtract that, you get 1 here and 10 here. That gives you 5. Borrow from there, you get a 4 there, and a 11 there, you get a 2 there. Okay, look at what happens. 25 is here, and 25 is here. So 25 repeats, both the 2 and the 5. Look at that on the calculator. 25 divided by 99. Try again. 25 divided by 99 gives you, I think I messed it up. Divided by 99. Let me try again. Clear. 25 divided by 99. There we go. 25, 25, 25, 25. Just like this tells us 25 hundredths repeating. Okay, 7 over 9. Will method number 1 work? Yes. Will method number 2 work? No. So we have to divide it. 7 divided by 9. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Divide the top by the bottom. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Top here, bottom here. 7 divided by 9. Put in a 0. Put in a, bring your decimal up. Divide. How many 9s in 70? Well, 9 times what is close to 70? 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. Now subtract, and we get 7, and bring down, get a 0, and then repeat. Okay, it's the same. This here is the same as this here, so that you know that this is a repeating decimal. What does that look like on the calculator? 7 divided by 9 gives you 7's repeating. Why is it an 8 here? Is it actually an 8, or are they rounding it up? Well, they're rounding it up because the calculator ran out of room. So that's 7/10 repeating, and it's a repeating decimal. 9 over 25. Okay, look at this one. 9 over 25. We could get this, yes. We could also change the denominator to 10 or 100, yes. Look what happens if you do method 1. 9 divided by 25, put in a 0, you get 3, and you get 75. Subtract that, you get 5, that turns into an 8, get a 1 there, get a 1 there, bring that down. How many 25s in 150? I know there's 4 25s in 100, so 6 25s. 36, 150, does it repeat? Nope, it terminates. So 0.36 repeating. Okay, but look at this. 9 over 25. Multiply the whole thing by 4 over 4, and you get 36 over 100, which is the same. These equal each other. And then 36 over 100 is 36 hundredths, which is the same as this right here that we just found. And it's a terminating decimal because it stops. 1 over 25, same deal. 1 over 25. You can do this, yes, and you could do this. 1 over 25 times 4 over 4 gives you 4 over 100, or 4 hundredths. And that's a terminating decimal. 25 over 175, sorry, 25 over 176. Divide it. 225, but put in a 0. Bring your decimal up. 176. I know that there's 176. Subtract. Okay, bar, you get a 4 here and a 10 here. You get a 4. Arrow, you get a 1 there and a 14 there and a 7. And then bring that down. Okay, this is close to 200. I know that 200 plus 200 is 400, plus 200 is 600. Okay, so I think I can do 4 of those. So let's try 4. 176 times 4. 4, 2, multiply 4 times 7 to 28, plus 2 is 30, 0, 3. 4 times that, 704. Okay, 704 looks like good. So we could fit 4 of them in. And then we subtract. And we get 6 here. 3, and 1. Make that into a 10. 36. Bring down a 0. Okay, how many 176s in 360? I think 2. Let's check the multiplication. 2, 1, 14 plus 1 is 5, 1, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 352. 352. Subtract and we get 8. Bring down a 0. It looks like that was a 2. Okay, now, can 176 fit into 80? No, so put in a 0. And bring down a 0. Can this fit into 800? Yes. So I knew that 4 of them, 4 times 176 was 704. So can I fit another 176 into 800? I don't think so. So I need to do 4 again. 4 times 176 was 704. Okay, bar from there, make that a 7, make this a 10, make that a 9, and this a 10, and get a 6 right here, and a 9 right here. 96, and bring down a 0. How many 176